What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on my YouTube channel, but it is not the official gameplay video. I'm gonna just show my setup right now, and I'm gonna show you, like, I don't know, like, the future setup. It will be the same, I don't know, and if it will be a little different, I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me open the cameras here. Sorry about the bad quality and background voice. This is my setup currently. I use a Red Dragon mouse, so it's big. I mostly play Fortnite in this channel. It's pretty nice actually. The best budget gaming mouse. I'm down for this mouse. I actually recommend this. This is my laptop, my dad's laptop. And it has a Core i3 integrated graphics, not the best. The keypad lights up. It gets pretty toasty actually. It gets still like 71 to 100 degrees. I can't even play nicely Fortnite, so yeah. And shut the laptop off. And the headphones I am using are these. I don't know what brand these are, but these are very comfy. But I repaired this so many times that it's this long now. It should be this long. Now it's this long. The wiring, the crap, and okay. I'll just put that all away and show you what I'm gonna buy. Like, I'm getting a pretty huge upgrade, and so yeah, this is the Ruda for my gaming and stuff. Not the best. The power supply and SSD. I'm just gonna show you everything that's not that important like this, and what's important that I will show afterwards. So I'm gonna use the main monitor, the Asus Shift, and something else. LED backlit computer monitor, 240Hz refresh rate, 1 ms response time, HDMI port and display port, everything. This 144Hz 24-inch monitor, 224 inches. This is Asus, and this Open something. This is Acer. Okay, Acer. This is gonna be my webcam. It's not available. Keyboard is not available. This is the Logitech G213 gaming keyboard. I'm using this ROG Pico something mouse, and I'm using a XXL mousepad RGBs. I'm using the ROG Strix Fusion, what's that called, headset. And I'm coming to the PC parts. The what's this called, fans. I'm having two RTX 2080 Ti's. Yes, this is Asus, and yes, it's almost 160 for one. I'm using an NVLink for both of those. I'm having a headphone Ti Pro RGB for my CPU, 4 terabytes of storage, 64 gigs of RAM. It's actually 32, but I will just order 2. This is the CPU, Core i9-9900KS, the ROG Maximus 11 Hero motherboard, Wi-Fi 1, the Z390 Gaming LJ1151. This is the best case I could find actually for ATX size motherboard. It can fit eATX too, but this is my style actually, because it's tough, you know. I'm not actually buying these right now because I'm not that interested in like off headphones audio. And this is gonna be my mic. I'm just gonna show you correctly. And one sec. This is the SSD. The SSD 970 Evo plus 500 gigs NVMe drive M.2, because I'm just keeping 500 gigabytes of storage because I don't play that many games. Plus my channel isn't the best, like not popular, so I'm just playing Fortnite for now. If I could be possible, means a little bit Minecraft. And I have a sister. This is my sister. She wants a laptop, not desktop, so I searched these. You can see is the mouse pad, headphones, a little budget friendly. So you can have a laptop, and this is the mouse, this is the laptop. Everything is almost Acer, red and blacked. I'm gonna show you the laptop specs. Okay, where is this? Okay, here are the specs of this laptop. I will show the video of the laptop too, why not? Okay, you can see everything. I will scroll so slowly and I will stop talking for a moment so you can also see. And that's it. I will try to show you the video. Plus I don't have the best internet in the world, so yes. Sorry, my tablet is a little old, so this is also not the best. I will try. Oh gosh, why is it not coming? Okay, I will show the video sometime else. So yeah guys, this is gonna be my new setup. I don't know because this is a pretty overkill setup. This setup actually this is gonna be a pretty overkill setup. I don't know, I can like put an i7 or something, that's also okay for me, but because I want a high-end system so that it can get me for a while, so I don't need to buy another system after another year. I'm taking high-end setups because they can work a lot for a long time. So thanks for watching guys. Be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and goodbye.